If you've been quietly thinking about downsizing, not urgently, not tomorrow, but maybe in the next year or two, I want you to watch this before you start looking at homes. Most people we help tell us the same thing. I wish I had started thinking about this sooner, without pressure. That's why I wanted to record this. This isn't about convincing you to move. It's about helping you think clearly before urgency ever shows up. Downsizing almost never starts with one big moment. It sneaks up. It shows up as rooms you don't really use, stairs that feel a little steeper, maintenance that feels annoying instead of fulfilling, and property taxes that suddenly feel unnecessary. None of this means you have to move, but it does mean it's time to start thinking. What we see over and over again is people waiting until something big forces the decision, and that's when stress shows up. The best decisions don't happen under pressure. They happen when you still have options. One of the biggest misunderstandings about downsizing is thinking it's about square footage. It's not. Downsizing is really about your cost of living and your lifestyle. Taxes, monthly expenses, maintenance, and how you want your days to feel. What creates overwhelm is starting with home searches before there's a clear plan. Without clarity, every option feels heavy. But with clarity, the right option becomes obvious. Planning doesn't mean committing, it means understanding. Understanding what your home is worth, what staying really costs long term, what moving could simplify, and when timing would feel right for you. Planning gives you control. It doesn't lock you into anything. It removes the unknowns. And when the unknowns are gone, decisions feel so much lighter. This conversation is for homeowners 55 and over who aren't ready yet, but are thinking. If you're not ready, that's actually the best time to start planning. If this resonates and you'd like clarity around what your next chapter could look like, not what it has to be, you can comment PLAN, PLAN, or you can reach out to us directly. Good decisions don't rush.